toe. Left plus every time from toe. Okay, one more time. And there's one rule. It's sometimes people say that we do not use our knees in foxtrot. It's every time soft and bend. Yes, this is true. We create rising not by knee, only by foot. Because it's really soft dance. So when I'm dancing, slow. Of course, I use my knee to create this big step. But I try to keep the same level, so I rise only on my feet and continue landing. You see, it's every time bend. So try to do this. One more time. Let's do together. So feather step. First, control body movement and from heel. One more time. Control body movement from heel. Side step from toe and continue outside step from toe. Then we have rotation and do slow control body step from heel. Then we have side step from heel, work with our feet and continue with our toe. Heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe. Let's create a circle.